Hello Leo, how are you? Welcome to my channel Star, and welcome to your reading. So Leo, this is a timeless reading and this is a general reading. Take what resonates and leave what doesn't. Energies might be vice versa and time is fluid. Also note that the readings for the August will be published on Saturday and Sunday, that is 31st and 1st. Okay. Further, one more announcement. Leo, if you are interested in knowing the predictions for your sign for the month, or not for the month, if you're interested in knowing the predictions for the sign, for your sign for next 5 months, okay, the link for the same is provided in the description box. The link for the same is provided in the comments section. Okay. Now this prediction is starting from August till the end of December, until the end of 2021. Okay, and what do we see in this prediction is we will see how is your love life for the next 5 months. Okay, we will see how is your life in general for the next 5 months. We'll see how does your career and your money looks for the next 5 months, and we will also see what is your advice for the next 5 months. Okay, so make sure, if you're interested, you can go ahead and you can check out, you can click on that link and it will lead you to the reading on Vimeo platform. Okay, make sure you follow me on Vimeo just the way you follow me on YouTube. Now as far as this reading on YouTube is concerned, Leo, what I'm going to do is I'm going to place a couple of cards over here and they will represent your energy. Then I'm going to place a couple of cards over here and they will represent the energy of the person you are thinking about, you are dealing with. In between, I'm going to place a couple of cards and they will represent the mutual energy between you and your person. Okay, all right Leo, let's get started now. I'm not yet done shuffling. So we have his Ace of Wands, then we have his Magician, then we have his the Strength, we have Tower card, then we have his the Wheel of Fortune, and we have his the Hermit for your person, Page of Wands, and we have his King of Cups as a mutual energy. So many major arcana cards, Leo, for you. You may be dealing with a Scorpio, Aries, Sagittarius, Virgo, Gemini, and Leo, another Leo. So Aries, Leo, Sag is standing out and Scorpio is standing out, and also Aries and Virgo is also standing out. Okay, if the sign pops up, all the better. Let's not remain fixed on the signs. Okay. Okay, so so Leo, we have Ace of Wands, Magician, and Strength for you. So Leo, you will be presented with a new opportunity. You will be presented with a new opportunity. New opportunity is coming your way, and this new opportunity can be about a past person or a new person. Okay, it is up to you, Leo. What is it that you want to manifest will come your way. If you are manifesting the past person is coming your way. Universe will grant you an opportunity with the past person. If you are manifesting a new person will come your way. Okay, but nevertheless, I definitely see that that an opportunity is coming your way, and this opportunity, whosoever is going to enter in your life, this person is going to bring a lot of passion. Okay, this person is going to bring a lot of love, lot of romance in your life, especially if your romantic life was quite stagnant, there was no action over there, then you will definitely experience lots and lots of passion, lots of sex, lots of love, lots of romance. And I believe that you are going to create some memorable, there will be some amazing memories that you're going to create with this person. Both of you will reach a point where both of you will be inseparable from one another, is what I'm feeling. With that Magician card, I'm also feeling that Leo, some of you are definitely craving for your past person, Leo. Some of you are definitely, you are thinking that you want to proceed with your past person only. I can see my future with my past person only. Come what may, I want my past person only. Okay, there is a bit of a desperation over here to have your past person. This is not applicable for all, this is applicable only for few. So I definitely sense that you may indulge into doing something to manifest your person back. You're consciously, subconsciously, you're manifesting them, you're thinking a lot about them. But this is applicable only for few of you people who really, really, and really want your past person. You may get into certain rituals to manifest your person back in your life. Okay, so there is a lot of you have a lot of love for this person, but this love has also got converted into a bit of obsession for your person, or it can also be vice versa. Your person is extremely obsessed about you, and they are also manifesting this relationship with you. Okay, so what I see is the bottom line is someone is getting into rituals to manifest this connection with the past person. Okay, and you think that there are infinite possibilities of growth with this person. The only initial hindrance is to start or reignite this connection. Okay, with the strength card, I feel that Leo, I would want to tell you that even if you are manifesting your past person back, universe is going to be like, yes, if you want your past person back, I'm going to send you the past person back, but I'm also going to send a couple of other people in your life. Okay, for some of you, these other people are going to be much better than your past person, and you will be faced with certain choices, and this choice is going to be extremely difficult for you. Let me tell you that, because what is going to happen is you have this love and obsession for your past person, but at the same time, the new person who is going to be there in front of you, that person is going to come with such a lucrative offer, and that person is going to be such a catch that you will really have to tame the devil inside you. And the devil is all about obsessing over the past person. Okay, if you want to choose the new person over the past one, you will really have to tame down the devil inside you of like this obsession of wanting the past person. You have some serious obsession. Some of you are having the serious option, a serious obsession to want this past person back. Okay, and then the other new opportunity is also going to be highly lucrative, so you will be damn confused, and you will know that if you have to go with the new person who is so amazing, and you are very sure that they are going to make you happy and satisfied, you will literally have to work on the devil inside you, and that devil is obsessing over the past person. Okay, remember, you cannot have both, you will have to decide only one. And otherwise, if it is not about the choice between the past and the new, I feel that over a period of time you may face certain challenges which you will successfully overcome. Okay, you may face certain challenges in your love life, which I see that you are protected by the universe. You are a blessed soul, but universe is also trying to test you, is what I'm getting over here. Okay, you may face certain challenges, and challenges are being sent by the universe only. Challenges are being sent by your spirit team only, and they want to see have you learned your lessons or not. Okay, so you may face certain challenges and you will successfully overcome those challenges, but I'm just trying to tell you what I'm seeing over here. As far as your person is concerned, we have Tower, we have Wheel of Fortune, and we have is the Hermit. So your person, if they were with someone else, that relationship is no more existing. Okay, be assured of that, because we have Wheel of Fortune immediately, and this person is probably, for most of you, this person has already separated themselves from their partner. Okay, their spouse or the third party, or they are in the process of separating themselves from the spouse or the third party. The wheel is changing, and the wheel is changing for the better. So Even if they have separated themselves from their earlier partner, that separation was so draining for them. They're taking some time right now, Leo. Your person is taking some time to heal from that separation because it was seriously an emotionally draining exercise for your person, and they're trying to overcome that emotional whatever loss they have faced, emotional loss, energetic loss. They're trying to overcome that. Okay, so that is one of the reason, if at all they are silent right now, that is one of the reason why they are so silent. Or if you're not feeling their energy, that is one of the reason why you're not feeling their energy. They are going through something right now in their life, Leo. Okay, so have some patience, especially for those who want their past person back. With the Hermit card, this person is for sure coming towards you. They are coming towards you. They want to get in your arms. That's what I feel. They want to get in your arms. They will be so drained and they will be so tired that third party or whosoever was the earlier partner, that earlier partner has given them a tough time. I'm very sure about it. And your person is extremely tired of that entire situation. They just want to get in your arms, is what I see. Page of Wands and King of Cups as a mutual energy. There is passion and there is lot of love for one another, but at the same time, I will tell you that the spiritual awakening is at different level. Okay, so you may experience a bit of frustration because your level of spiritual awakening, your level of maturity is different, and your person's level of maturity and their awakening is different. So there is love, there is passion for one another, but then your person, they really need to work on their spiritual awakening, and probably you will have to act as a mentor for them. So I would suggest that the new person is looking much better than the past one, Leo. And if you are really interested in having the right kind of a love for yourself, then I would suggest for majority of you, as per the cards is what I see, for majority of you, the new person is looking better. Okay. All right. So if this resonates, well, there is no extended reading for this one, but yes, for sure, I have a link I have posted in the description box and also in the comments section, and the link is about the predictions for the next 5 months till the end of December, starting from August till the end of December. And what do we discuss over there is, I discuss your love life for the next 5 months. I discuss love life for every single month, okay, starting from August till December. Similarly, I discuss your life in general for the next 5 months. I discuss your career and your money for the next 5 months, and I will also discuss your I will also tell you the advice for the next 5 months. Okay, so if you are interested, you can go ahead and you can check out. The link for the same is provided in description box. It is also provided in the comments section. Okay, all right, bye bye, Leo.